Okay, so in part C, we've got the product here of 7x and cos 6x. So the u function will be 7x and the v function will be cos 6x. So then du dx, differentiate u is 7, differentiate v then. Well, remember cos becomes minus sine. So it'll be minus sine of 6x times then the derivative, which is 6. So we get minus 6 sine 6x. So using then the product rule, okay, and dy dx is v du dx plus u dv dx. So we get v, which is cos of 6x, times du dx, which is 7, plus u, which is 7x, times then minus 6 sine 6x. Okay, so we've essentially got our answer there. You might see then that we've got a common factor of 7, because I've got 7 here, 7 there. So we could factorize out that 7 straight away. So I get cos 6x there, times by that 7 to give me that. And then there's a minus, don't forget, right? The minus there, and then of course you've got 6 on the x of sine 6x. Okay, so that's what we get there when we fully factorize that. Finally then in D, we've got y equals to x to the power 7 e to the 2x. Okay, so you can see here the product we've got here. U is equal to the x to the power 7, v is e to the 2x. Differentiate du by dx. Okay, well, bring the power down, reduce it by 1. Differentiate this. Now remember, e stays the same, but you've got to times it by the derivative in here, which is 2. So we get 2 e to the 2x. Okay. Product rule then. Dy dx is v du dx plus u dv dx. So we get this times this. So e to the 2x times 7x to the 6 plus x to the 7 times 2e to the 2x. Okay, so when it comes to factorizing there, well, 7 here and 2 there, so there's no common factors with the numbers, but x to the 6 is a common factor because it goes into both, and also e to the 2x. Okay, let's have a square bracket. So we factorize that out. What do I times by this to get that? Well, there's just a 7 that's missing, isn't it? And then what do I times by this to get that? Well, there's an x missing, yeah, because I want x to the power 7, so I've got to times it by x. And I've also got to times it by 2, haven't I? Because there's a 2 there, so I need to put a 2 in front there. And we've fully factorized it.